So hi guys, good day. So some couple of people actually reach out to me that they are trying to install fonts on their PixelLab, but it's not installing. So I actually find out a way of resolving your issue. This is PixelLab YD, which can resolve that issue. So you don't have to like install your fonts directly. So PixelLab YD will actually install it for you directly from your file manager as far as you unzip it. So this is the interface of the app, and then you actually know that by near looking, if you know PixelLab, normal PixelLab, you can actually understand that it's having the same canva as you can see. So let me do a demo here. Let me go to my Chrome browser, and then okay, I'm already on the website. What's in the column stuff? This is defonts.com. So I think you are already used to this. You are already familiar to this website. So let me download this first font here, Starlight Romance. So let me download it. Pew, it's actually downloading. So I will go to my, it has been downloaded. So let me go to my downloads. I will go to my download and then search for it, Starlight. Yep. So here is the within the column stuff. Here's the font, actually, the zip file. So if you actually check my, okay, let me check my PixelLab first. Okay, let me go to my text, and then I will go to fonts here. So I need you to actually understand the process. So let me search for Starlight so that you confirm that it's not actually the, okay, I have Starlight already. So let's go for another one. So since I have this, let me go for another one. We'll go with Smile Delights. Let me see, Smile Delights. Smile Delight. Yeah, it has been downloaded. So let me check whether we have Smile Delight here. So I'm going to justify that it is actually working. So Smile Delight. So you can actually see this. This one is not installed. So what I will do is I will go to my file manager, and then I will search for it. Smile. And see it here. So I will actually unzip this. I will unzip it. Yeah, you can actually see I have unzipped it. So let me transfer this. Okay, let me just enter it first. Yeah, so let me transfer this to my fonts file, font folder, sorry. So here is it. I will just move it here. So I will just go to my fonts here and go to my PixelLab, and then I will search for it now. Let me see. Smile. So you can actually see it here. I didn't install it. It's automatically installed. So this is actually like a crack version of PixelLab. So thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are actually new to this for tutorials on smartphone graphics. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day. Cheers. Peace.